Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, my name is Rahman Alamuso. I'm from Chemistry Education Class 8, 2019. In this video, I will explain about an experiment in tidal modification of sulfur. As for the purpose of this experiment, namely the first to study several modifications of sulfur, the second to study characteristic of hydrogen sulfide and H2SO4. As for the working sample taking, the experiment process of taking sulfur sample was taken from Pentadio Betur, West Pentadio, Blue Lake, Gorontalo District. As for the working procedure, modification of sulfur. The first, blend 0.5 gram of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Observed crystal strip. Observed crystal strip, yellow crystal. Heat 0.5 gram of sulfur powder in the test tube while shaking test tube. Observe the sulfur color change, bronze, yellow. Characteristic of sulfur acid. Heat a piece of copper in a test tube contain 1 ml H2SO4 not boiling. Observe the activity in test tube with direction equation. Please the filter paper maintain with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of test tube. Test tube in step 1. Observe the color change on the filter paper. Read direction equation. Put source into the test tube and a few drops of concentrated H2SO4. Observe it and take a note the activity in the test tube. Put 2 ml of acetic acid into the tube and 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. Observe and take a note the activity in test tube. Read the reaction equation. Next, observation result. Treatment, modification of sulfur. Blended 0.5 gram of sulfur in evaporation cup by heating the sulfur until it melts and let it freeze. Observation 1. When the sulfur melts, the sulfur is red. 2. After freezing, sulfur forms crystal. Heated 0.5 grams of sulfur powder in test tube. Observation, change color from yellow to brownish. Observation result, characteristic of sulfur acid. 1. Heated a piece of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4 no boiling. Observation, bubbles appear in the tube. Place the filter paper maintain with K2CrO4 solution in the mouth of test tube. Test tube in step 1. Observation, filter paper that was original yellow turned white. Put sucrose in the test tube and a few drops of concentrated H2SO4. Observation, when heated it turns into a black solid. Put 2 ml of acetic acid into the test tube 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentration H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. The heat solution causes bubbles to form and smells like an inflatable balloon. As for the working discussion, modification sulfur. In the sulfur modification experiment, there were two different treatments, namely heating in the sulfur in an evaporation dish and in a test tube. When sulfur is heated in an evaporation dish using a hot plate, the color changes from yellow to red and the sulfur melts. After being allowed to stand for a few minutes, the sulfur solidifies and crystallines from then heat the sulfur in a test tube. When sulfur is heated in a test tube using a hot plate, after 5 minutes, the sulfur melts and the color changes from yellow to deep red. This is because there is an effect of heating speed, where if the temperature is increased, the color of the sulfur will be darker. Sulfuric acid characteristic. In the sulfur acid characteristic experiment, the first thing to do is heat a piece of copper in a test tube containing 1 ml H2SO4. When heating takes place, bubbles are formed. Then after the heating process is stopped, the color change from there to brownish yellow. Next is to put filter paper moistened with K2CrO4 solution at the mouth of the test tube in the first experiment. Then heat it. When heated slowly, the yellow color on the filter paper disappears or turns white. Then the next step is to put sucrose into a test tube and 10 drops of concentration H2SO4, then heated using Bunsen heating. When heated, the color changes to black. And the last step is to put 2 ml of acetic acid the top, then add 2 ml of ethanol and 2 ml of concentration H2SO4. Heat the test tube using a Bunsen burner. During the heating process, the heated solution causes bubbles to form and smell like an inflatable balloon. As for the working conclusion, based on the experiment that have been carried out, it can be conclusion that the modification of sulfur can be seen from change in the structure of the sulfur itself, which is marked by a change in color and the formation of crystallines. As for the experimental characteristic of sulfur acid, it can be concluded that sulfuric acid has the property of being an oxidation agent, which is challenged in oxidation agent. So many video discussion for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.